First, put the materials that need to be edge cut on the work table, whole sheet, or roll of material. In the VC at Work software, import the file you are going to process, which should be skeleton drawing. See this icon, M, click it, open the menu of CCD function module. You need to extract the mark points. If you have other files to edge cutting before, you can click empty first to clear the last record. Select the first mark point, which will be the start point. The one at the bottom right corner is usually chosen. Click Set Mark. The software will automatically extract the remaining 3 mark points. You can see them in the list. Next, check the cutting parameters. As mentioned before, the software uses color to distinguish cutting layers. In the video, the black layer is what we can cut. Gray layer is the 4 mark points. The mark points do not need to be cut, so the gray layer no need to set, and no need to be output. The black layer, the graphics we want to cut, need to be output. There are 2 ways. One is to cut the whole drawing. Another one is to select one of the small patterns to cut. Let's first choose the second way. Choose a small pattern to cut. There's an option, Output Select Graphics, so tick it. If you don't tick it, it will cut the entire file. Then we pick a pattern and try to cut it. Now, choose one. Then, move the cutting head to the first mark point, which is the one we set earlier, at the lower right corner point. Move the camera to the specified mark point by pressing the direction button. Let the camera stop above the specified mark point. Now you can see this mark point in the software. Right mouse button, click, make mark point as close to the center of the cross as possible. First, click Set Start Point, then click Start to cut. Set Start Point means locks this specified point as the start point. If you do not click this button, the machine will start processing from the start point of your last processing by default. Now, cut. First, the mark points are automatically recognized, and then the pattern we selected is cut. From the video, you can see the cutting is good. We can cut once again. This time, we choose 2 patterns. Click back starting point. The machine can go back to the last starting point. Right-click and move the camera to the center of the cross. It doesn't have to be very centered, just close. Click Set Starting Point. This time, even you do not click it, it will cut properly too, because the starting point now is the same as the starting point last time. Then click Start. The machine starts processing. See, the vacuum adsorption automatically sucks, and the machine automatically finds the mark points. and cuts the graphics we selected. The cutting is perfect. That is CCD function.
感谢，我们现在就是完成了这个切割了啊，半切。